Hey everyone, welcome back to the AWS Mastery Series. Ever opened your AWS bill and thought, how did it get this high? Today we're fixing that forever. We're diving deep into exactly how you pay for AWS and where to get real help when you need it. Our focus today, understanding how you pay for AWS and where to get help. Let's jump in.
AWS offers 4 powerful pricing models so you never overpay. First, on-demand instances. On-demand means you pay only for what you use, by the second, with 0 long-term commitment. Perfect for unpredictable workloads or testing new ideas. Maximum flexibility, but higher hourly rates.
Next, savings plans. Commit to a consistent hourly spend for 1 or 3 years and save up to 72% on compute. Savings plans are super flexible. They automatically apply across instance types, regions, even OS changes. Then we have reserved instances. You commit to specific instance types for 1 or 3 years for big discounts. Great for steady, predictable workloads, but less flexible than savings plans if you change instance families.
Last but dramatic, spot instances. Bid on spare AWS capacity and save up to 90%. But here's the catch. AWS can interrupt them with just 2 minutes notice. Use them only for fault-tolerant workloads. Now that we've covered the pricing models, let's look at the tools that keep your spending under control.
First tool, AWS Cost Explorer. Visualize, analyze, and forecast your costs and usage with beautiful interactive charts and reports. Spot trends, drill down by service or tag, and see exactly where your money is going. Next, AWS Budgets. Set custom budgets and get alerts before you overspend. Create monthly, quarterly, or custom budgets with email and SNS notifications. Stay in total control. Finally, the AWS Pricing Calculator. Before you launch anything, estimate exact costs with this free tool. Add services, usage, and discounts. Save quotes, compare scenarios, and plan your budget with confidence. With pricing and tools handled, let's talk support. Because when production breaks, you need help fast.
AWS offers 4 support plans: Basic, Developer, Business, and Enterprise. Basic support is free with every AWS account. You get 24/7 billing and account support, access to forums, documentation, and basic trusted advisor checks. Developer support starts at about $29 per month. Get technical support via email. Response times, general guidance under 24 business hours, system impaired under 12 business hours. Perfect for experimentation and non-production workloads. Business support starts at about $100 per month and is 24/7. Phone, chat, and email access. Response times, production system down under 1 hour, production impaired under 4 hours.
Full trusted advisor. Infrastructure event management. Ideal for production workloads. Enterprise support is the premium tier with the fastest help. Response times, business critical system down under 15 minutes, plus a dedicated technical account manager. You also get concierge support, proactive guidance, and infrastructure event management. So which plan is right for you? Match your workload criticality and budget.
Now you know exactly how to pay for AWS wisely and where to get lightning-fast help. Choose the right pricing model, use the billing tools daily, and pick the support plan that matches your needs. If this video saved you from bill shock, smash that like button. Drop a comment. Which pricing model are you using right now? Subscribe and hit the bell for more AWS deep dives every week. Share this with your team. Knowledge is the best cost optimization. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video where we optimize real AWS bills live.